Hi everyone, welcome to my green screen session, quick and dirty. I will show you how you can make a green screen with less than $50. I had to spice up my home office since I'm doing now a lot of remote conferences, telephone conferences, etc. You know that. And for this reason I wanted to have a green screen at the back, so also people can pass behind me and it's not disturbing, and also to maybe use virtual backgrounds a bit better. So it's also good making this green screen because you're just ordering the cloth and you're not ordering a full green screen. And since resources are scarce, it's maybe easier to send you an envelope with the cloth than a whole green screen itself. So there's no drilling. You can use spare wood pieces. It's maybe a 2 out of 6 for the home working skills, and eventually you can also use nails instead of screws, I guess. So let me walk you through the setup of my green screen and also my lessons learned.